What's up, YouTube? This Sharpband is doing a deck profile over wind-ups. This is my updated version. I got a lot more prettier versions of all my cards, so here goes. Triple Magician, Triple Shark. Those two are like game, pretty much. Triple Rat, Triple Rabbit. I finally got pretty versions of them for pretty cheap. Two Super Tour Guides. Those are pretty nice. I'd rather have secrets, but oh well. Sangan, Tour Bus. I would run out of Silent, but I kind of like this better just so I can recycle my XYZs. Double Thunder King, Double Effect Veiler, one Maxi, and one BLS. Staples, got the Dark Hole, Heavy Storm, Book of Moon, Launch Storm, Book of Moon, sorry. Double MST, Pot of Avarice, and Double Factory. Got Double Warning, Double Bottomless, Double Dimension Prism, Double Torrential, and one Mirror Force. Extra deck, got the Zen 80, Zen Mains, Olivier, Giga Brilliant, the Chronomaly. I call him Coconut, I can't really say that. He's pretty good. Light Target also. Leviathan Dragon, Acid Golem, because he's pretty big. Maystroke, Roach. Like I said earlier, I might take that out because there's not really much people are playing nowadays to run it. Zen Meister keeps your combos going along with Butterfly. Shockmaster, retarded in this deck. I still run the rank 5s, Tyrus, Andreas, and Zen Maho. That's it, YouTube. Any questions, let me know. Comment, rate, subscribe. Peace.